All right, guys, it is Sunday morning at 7:26. I did turn on my light, my camera, and I got me one. So this one's going to the airport, and 4 minutes to pick them up is a $20 one. I think it's $20.65, something like that. But let's go. There was one that did pop up, and it was for Austin. Man, it's a 3-hour drive. Paid $100. Austin, $100. What do y'all think? Man, I don't know. That's 3 hours out there and 3 hours back. 6 hours. I'm kind of the same way too. Probably not. All right, guys, let's go. It's early. We're gonna do it for a couple hours. A couple festivals I want to go to, and let's do it. All right, guys, I just finished dropping off that one. That one paid me $21, and I'm on to my next one that's gonna pay me $12. Let's go. All right, it is 8:15, and I thought I was going to the airport, but it was not. Anyways, we're gonna keep on picking up. There's a bunch I coming through, but man, they're small, and the distance or the time is a little bit long, so I'm not gonna take those. I need to take some, but again, I don't want to take some that only pays me $15 and about 40 miles. So keep an eye on that too. You always got to kind of keep an eye. I mean, if you're gonna make like $8 and it's for 8 miles, maybe. So just keep an eye on those. But keep on picking up. Keep on picking up. The car cannot stay still. That's money being wasted while we're out here doing this. Be careful. There's a lot of police out there, and there's a lot of crazy drivers. Everyone's just driving like 80, 90 miles an hour. But let's go. All right, guys, I just dropped that one off. It was like $11, and they gave me a $4 tip. Let's go. That puts me at $16.70 for that one. All right, and so that puts me at $37 for 2 trips. Let's go. It's 8:44. I'm waiting for my next one. Let's do it. See, look at that one. That one, I don't know if you can see it. That's 15 minutes one way, 8 minutes other. Man, that's almost 25 minutes for $5. Nope, not going to do it. Not going to do it. We're going to wait for one. We're going to wait for one that makes sense. All right, guys. Whew, $17, 30 minutes. Let's take it. I'd rather get the bigger ones and longer rides. I don't mind those. All right, guys. All right, guys, I just finished dropping off that one. That one paid me $18. Let's go. 933, $56 and 933. Let's go. 3 trips. $3 for 17 minutes. All right, guys, we gotta find one. Let me get out of here though. Where am I at? I can go to. All right, let's do that. Let's see if we get one while we're getting out. $26 minutes for $6. No. I'm still looking. A reservation at 10 o'clock. Man, I should be done by 10 o'clock. We're going to dismiss it. That's in 30 minutes. $3. Man, look at that. Almost 20 minutes for $4. No. I think this one's going to be titled, How Many I Skip. Now be careful what's going on here. Yeah, you got 4-wheelers out here on the road. Just be careful. All right, guys, let's go. I think about 10 rides I skipped or passed. Look at that one. That's another one. So that's what? 23 minutes for $5? No. But there's a bunch that's out there like that. So you kind of look at what your time's worth. Ooh, look at that one. $154. Dang, it's a 4-hour trip going to Dallas. I've never seen that. That's the biggest one. Jeez. $154. Y'all saw that? Dang. Nope. It's 4 hours though. Look at that. 4 hours. $154. Actually, it's a whole day. If I'm going to Dallas, 4 hours. That's 271 miles. So that's almost like, I'm still here. That's like 50 cents a mile. That's what I've been kind of seeing. Look, 18 minutes or 18 miles. Actually, no. That one is 8 miles. That's a better one, but man, I need me a big one. Let me see, where's that going? That's going back where I just came. I don't want to go that way. I'm almost out here on 45. I want to get on 45. Let's see what happens. 56 bucks, 56 bucks. Come on. See, I'm no longer in line. Let's get back on. Woo, it's on red right there. You have a request at 10 o'clock? Where's it going? This view trip. Well, I guess we're not viewing it. Let's go. All right, guys. I'm trying to find something. All right, let's do it. All right, guys. I picked up this last one because it was on the way. I know, $4.71. But man, I missed. No, I didn't miss. I skipped so many that were little ones that were just too long in time. So that's going to be it. It's 10:26. Breakfast is served at the house. Got things to do, fairs to go to today. It's Sunday, so it's going to be family day. But made some money last night. So today, did 5 trips, $65. It's 10:30. I also did some yesterday. Yesterday in the evening, couple hours, made $60 as well too. 5 trips. This one, $65, so 3.5 hours. Let's go. Come on. All right. So I wonder where it will tell me how many I skipped. I don't know. I skipped so many that I'm still in standard mode. But oh, there was one that was going to. Well, y'all saw that one going to Dallas. Man, that would have been a good one. Anyways, that's too long of a trip. 3 hours. Man, if it was my first one, no, I probably still wouldn't have done it. I don't know. Man, if it was my first one during the whole day, I may do that one. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, I got my light on. I got my camera rolling, and I'm picking up somebody. I also have my Lyft open, and I have my Uber, and it says 5 minutes to pick them up. I don't know why they say there's traffic. I don't see that traffic. But I'm thinking 5 minutes to pick them up. $27, dropping them off at the airport. It is October 10th, Friday morning, 7:30. Got me a late start, but I got me a big one. Let's go. $27, I'll take it. I'm trying to make as much money as I can. I'm skipping my little ones because I need to make some big ones. I don't mind doing like 45-minute drives like this one is. So let's go. 7:30, let's make it happen. All right, guys. It is 9:43, and that last one was, so I dropped off the first one at the airport, which was $27. My second one was from the airport, $20, which I'm surprised I got it because I'm in standard mode. So I took it, and she gave me a $20 tip. So that was like $24. So then I'm like, dang. So that puts me at 77. But, man, let's keep on going. It's 9:43 right now. You know what? Let me see how many. So that's for almost 2.5 hours, $71. Let's go. All right, guys. Let's make it happen. We'll keep on looking for some other ones. Looking for a big one. It's 9:43. Let's do it. All right, guys. I just picked up this one. This one's paying me $12. It's $11.89. It's like 4 minutes to pick them up and 15 minutes to drop them off. Let's go. It's 10 o'clock right now. Let's do this. Man, it's a beautiful day out there. Come on, let's keep on going.
Hold on.
All right, guys, I just picked up this one. This one is paying me $14, and it's taking me, I think, 20 minutes out. 7 minutes to pick them up and then 20 minutes to get them out. Let's go. All right, guys, I'll let you know more at the end. It's about 11 o'clock, so I'm trying to finish by 2 o'clock, maybe even 1. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so looks like that's probably gonna be my last one. My last one paid me, how much? The last one paid me $14. So 4 trips, $97 at 12 o'clock, and it looks like it's about quitting time. Let's go. All right, guys, let's take a real quick look just to see. 12. 5 hours. So what, 20 bucks an hour? But, man, I just missed one. But now it's already 12, so got kids at the house, and we're gonna hang the rest of the day as a family day. Let's go. And we'll be ready again to do it tomorrow. 20 minutes, $5? Nope. All right, guys. Now, if I get one that's $20, that's pretty close. When I say 20 bucks, I'm talking about like 20 minutes. Man, that'd be great. I'll take it. But if not, that's going to be my last one till tomorrow. $97 for today. Let's go. Part-time warrior. Let's do it.